All right, beautiful people. We have these sunglasses. Okay, if you're hosting a bachelorette party or any type of summer barbecue, Funky Junk got you covered because they have tons of different styles, colors, sayings. This one says, I think, is it this side? I'll bring the A, okay? Adult beverages, we'll say that for now, okay? Because I don't want to get in trouble here. Look at that. Okay, they're super cute. They're simple, affordable, and the fact that you get like I'll bring this, I'm the party one. Like they have all different sayings. They have things for bachelorette, bachelor parties, barbecues, birthday parties, you name it, they have it, and they're really cute and they're comfortable. And I actually feel like they cover and protect my eyes. Like you can't see me. You can't see if I'm looking at you. I'm looking left if I'm looking right. So I love that for us. Okay, and I love the color too. They're super cute. And again, you can get multiple packs. They have big packs if you're having a big party. So guys, go check that out. Like I really think these are great, especially for summertime. I'm obsessed.